this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create barcodes in Excel with ease. So to do this, first I want to go to a website where I can download a font that looks like a barcode. So here I'm on Google Fonts. There are other websites out there, but Google is a company that I trust, so I'm on Google Fonts website where I can just search for barcodes, and now you can see there's all these different barcode fonts. From here, I'm going to want to click on one that I think will meet my needs the most, just clicking on this random one for an example. And then from here, I'm going to click on Get Font. And I want to download the font by just clicking on Download All. Now I'll give it a second for it to load, and I can see that the font is now downloaded. And from here, I'm going to double click on the font to open it up, and it will show you a preview of kind of what the font looks like. And to get it on my computer, I just want to click on Install. It takes a second for it to install, but now it is installed. I'm going to click on X, and I'm going to go back to Excel, and I want to close out of all of my open workbooks to make sure that Excel will kind of restart, and it will show up whenever I next open Excel. So going back into Excel, take a second for it to load. And now that I'm back in Excel, I can see that the font should be there if I scroll down to the L. And as you can see, the font that I just downloaded is right here. I can test the font and kind of blow it up to size 50, for example. And as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now I have a barcode in my spreadsheet. This is super helpful if you're trying to implement a barcode system and you want your different products associated with your barcodes. You can, for example, have product name, ID, and then barcode, and you can have this be like, for example, ABC-123, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just making stuff up, obviously. And then you can have it equal the same thing, and then just change the font to be the barcode font, and it will then show up as the barcode font for this product ID, even though it is the same thing. We found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.